dance and tease. Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want and need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review on UNice hair, and I'm really excited to be doing this review for them. And they gave me some goodies in the bag, melting bands, and guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I completely shaved my head off. I don't know if you can tell from under here, but yeah, I did do that. I'm trying to regrow my hair from scratch, and yeah, I'm just still taking out the goodies from the bag. And now it's time for the reason why you guys are here, the hair. Look at those beautiful body wave curls. So this is how you get it out the bag. And it already comes with baby hair, it's a closure. This is how inside looks. There's a comb at the bottom. There's a band to make it nice and secure so you don't need to wear it with any glue or anything like that. And look at that. I put it on and it already looks like I worked on it for a while. This is how it looks like right out of the bag. But of course, we are still going to do some customizations to it.
You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional.
And of course, I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer along with my flat brush, and I'm just going to put it all over the brush, and this is going to make the lace look like it's coming from my scalp. So this is a really important part. And as I'm putting it on, you can already see that the color of the lace is changing. And yeah, you just pack that on there, but make sure you blend it out properly, and make sure to focus on the hairline too, so that it could really look like it's coming from your scalp.
It was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man?
And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to put the wig back on, and you guys will see the difference. Look at this, you guys. It looks so much better than before, and all it took was some bronzer. This is a before and after, so you guys can see what difference it makes when you put the bronzer. So already this wig is looking amazing. Right now I'm going to take out the headband that the wig cap, sorry, that I had on, for it to look more natural. And now it's looking amazing, but we're not finished. We're still going to customize.
I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose.
So now I'm just brushing out the baby hairs and brushing the hair just to try to see what kind of style that I really want with it. And it's a good thing that it already comes with baby hairs because it makes our lives that much easier. But yeah, so honestly, if you want to put it on and wear it like this, it's completely fine. You can do so. However, for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my wax stick and I'm going to put a hot comb on it. And the reason why I'm going to do this is because it's kind of bumpy looking at the top. So I want it to look nice and flat. So I'm just going to put that wax stick and a hot comb. And the reason why I don't put the hot comb directly is because the wax stick not only helps it lay nice and flat, but also protects the hair from the heat.
Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make 'em feel bad.
So now I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just going over it. And I'm gonna go over it a few times until I'm satisfied with how nice and flat it looks. But one thing, you guys, I don't recommend doing it right on your head. I recommend doing it on a mannequin head so that you don't burn yourself. So don't do like me.
I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back?
And now I'm showing you guys the difference. You can see on top. So this side is nice and flat and that side is kind of bumpy, if you see what I'm talking about now. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other side.
we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile.
Alright, you guys, now I did the same thing with the other side, and I'm really happy with these results. This is looking really pretty. And again, next time I put this wig on, all I'm gonna have to do is just put it on my head and I'm good to go. This is a whole look. Look, it's completely glueless. And yeah, you can peep that I'm like bald under there, which is fine because, you know, ain't no shame in my game. But yeah, look at this wig, you guys. It's beautiful. The hair is amazing. So I've had this wig for about 2-3 weeks now, and it has not shed. It shed probably like one time, and it was a tiny bit of shedding, and that's only because I trimmed it a little bit in the front. But yeah, and look at this, you guys. The fact that it's glueless, you can wear it as a side part, and this is how I've been wearing it. I'm loving the side part look with it. And yeah, this is, I'm just showing you guys how it looks like if you do it with a side part. All you have to do is really just brush the hair and adjust the baby hairs.
Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now?
So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Shout out to UNice Hair for sponsoring this video and giving such a nice glueless wig for me to review. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any other questions about this hair, don't hesitate to comment or send me a message on Instagram at Sasky. Thank you and bye.